Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox my iPhone 13 256GB which I ordered in Big Billion Day sale where it had cost me around 60,000. Okay, let's look onto the box outlook. I have ordered the blue color so you guys can see the Apple logo and the branding in blue color, and box looks so good. Now let's open the box. Actually the box was already opened by the delivery boy because of open box delivery by Flipkart. Now I will unbox it again. Here comes our iPhone 13. First we will look into the box contents. Here they have given a USB-C to lightning cable, and here they have given the manual, Apple sticker and SIM tray ejector. Now let's look onto the mobile. It feels very premium in hand and looks cool in blue. Here you can see on the right side there is a power button, on the other side there is a volume up down button, and right above there is a mute switch. And in the bottom there is a speaker grill, mic grill and charging port. Here on the back side there is a camera setup and Apple logo. Talking about the display, it comes with a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED with a ceramic shield having a 1170 x 2532 pixel resolutions. Here we can get HDR10 and Dolby Vision with a true black colors. It have 1200 nits brightness with a 60 Hz refresh rate. And it have a stereo speakers, one on the above and the other on the bottom.
This family is our fortress.
Coming to the camera, it have a primary sensor shift stabilization camera and ultra wide angle camera. Both of them are 12MP. They have provided the cinematic video option. In that we can adjust the focus and also we can shoot the video in 4K. And 12MP true depth selfie camera. Here are some sample photos. This is 4K video. This is cinematic video. In this mobile, they have provided the A15 Bionic chip with iOS 15, having a 6-core CPU and 4-core GPU. The battery capacity is 3240 mAh. We can use 1.5 day with normal usage, and with heavy usage we can use for 1 day. Apple claims that this is IP68 tested. This is water resistant for 30 minutes at a 6 meter depth. You guys never try to put in water because Apple will never give the warranty for water damage. So that's it for today guys. If you feel this video is informative, please hit like, comment and subscribe to motivate for our next video. Thank you.